Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to forward message without sender name in Telegram. Friends, in Telegram you have noticed that whenever you forward a message, a name is displayed on the top. Like here in this chat, you can see on the top of the last message. So if you don't want this type of text is written whenever you forward a message in Telegram, then you need to long press on the message, and after selecting the message, instead of pressing this forward button on the bottom right corner of the screen, you need to press on this arrow on the top right corner of the screen. After pressing on that arrow, you need to select the chat on which you want to forward the message. Now after selecting the chat, you will find that there is an option to forward the file without forward details. So you need to press on this cross. Now on this pop-up you need to press on show forwarding options. Now here you need to select hide sender name. Now it will hide the forward details, and after that press on apply changes. Now press the send button. Now it has forwarded the message without forward details. So friends, like this you can very easily forward message without sender name in Telegram. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.